Bienvenido. Welcome to Buffalo Jackfruit Creamed Leek Quesadillas. These are incredible. These are a blend of many cultures. They're incredibly tasty. They take 15 minutes to make. We used unripe jackfruit. We cook it with a kind of creamed leek. This is magnificent. Creamed leek we first discovered back about 10 years ago in the cafe, and this is a wonderful way to do it using coconut milk and jackfruit to add a real fleshiness. Incredibly delicious treat. Here we go. First step, we're gonna fry off our base flavors. So I have one leek. Make sure to cut down the middle and give it a good clean inside because there's often sediment or soil hiding in there. Other thing we've got is 1 can of jackfruit. Make sure to give it a good drain and rinse. Take a large wide bottom non-stick pan and pop in 1 tablespoon of oil. Put it on a high heat and wait until it's nice and warm. So we're gonna add in our chopped leek and our drained jackfruit and a nice pinch of salt. That'll help break down the kind of harder green parts of the leek. Okay, while that's frying, let me introduce you to my dear friends, the spices. So we have sweet paprika, we have smoked paprika, we have black pepper, we have salt, we're going for a coarse salt, and we have a little bit of garlic powder. So why we went with garlic powder was just garlic can often cook quicker, cooks quicker than leek, so we just decided it was just easier using the powder. So if you don't have garlic powder, just put in 1 clove of fresh garlic. So what would Mexican cooking be with just a little bit of flair of Japan? So we're going to put in a little bit of tamari, not traditionally in the quesadilla, however, it really will help imbue flavour into the jackfruit. Next step, we're going to add our spices in. We're going to add in juice of half a lemon and just use that little bit of lemon juice just to deglaze any bits that are sticking to the pan. Next step, we've got the coconut cream, as in the cream of 1 full fat can of coconut milk. We just scoop that cream off. It's about 200 grams of coconut cream. This is gonna really just make amazing creamed meaty leeks. That smells absolutely amazing. Like it looks really meaty, really green. Like there's wonderful aromas coming off. This is gonna be epic quesadillas. Super riquísimo, lleno de sabor. Really important thing when you're cooking any food is just to season as you go. So season it. I'm just going to taste it and see how balanced this dish tastes. So there you are there. Wow. A lot of flavour going on there. It's creamy. It's acidic. It's salty. It's very balanced actually. Delicious. So we're going to set that aside. We're going to clean out the pan, prep our ingredients and then make our quesadilla. So I have 150 grams of peppers that I are roasted and simply got from a jar. Just slice them into long strips. These just mean it's quicker and it's easier to make. Okay, it's showtime. So we have cleaned our non-stick pan. It's nice and good. I'm gonna turn it on a medium heat. So we're gonna toast our tortilla and we're gonna bring it all together. So we've got a little bit of vegan cheese. This will just help it all stick together. Take our creamed leek and jackfruit and really spread that around. That's packed full of flavor. Layer on some sliced roasted red pepper, a little bit of avocado. And just finish off with a little bit of cheese on top. That'll just mean it'll all stick together real nicely. And then once it's brown underneath, just like this, just fold it over and then we're gonna flip it again. Just flip it out, be careful, pop it onto a chopping board, take a knife, and you gotta own it when you chop it. Just in you go and, creamy leek, jackfruit, buffalo quesadillas. So then we're just gonna rinse and repeat with the rest of them. You'll probably get 4 to 5 quesadillas and boom, showtime. So these are really easy to make, literally take 15 minutes. Like, just they look incredible. There's a lot of flavors. This is gonna punch with flavor. Right, here we go. Oh, it's very rich, like very just, incredibly delicious. There is an epic buffalo jackfruit and leek quesadilla that genuinely takes 15 minutes, super tasty, incredibly delicious. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and sending lots of love. Cheers!